Welcome to another video by Stan's Auto Repair. Today we are going to be repairing a tire. It had went flat. The hole is right here. That's at least one of them that we know of. There might be another one on it, but we really won't know. But what you need, you can do this yourself. You need one of these tools. This is to actually clean it out. Then you need one of these tools. This actually puts the sealer in, which is these strips here. The first thing you want to do is you need to locate where the hole is. If it's anywhere on here, on this top surface, you're good. If it's on the side, you can't really do anything with it. But typically what you want to do after you get this hole, after you patch it, you want to go get an actual patch. And they have to take the tire off if the tire's in good enough shape. You can see this one, the owner of the vehicle ran this tire lowly inflated a lot. The vehicle says 30 psi, but this is what 30 psi is doing. So due to the size being a 15, I told the customer to either go with 40 to 45 psi. This tire is regulated 44 psi max, so I told her to go with 40. Anywhere between, with that, in that case, you could go anywhere between 30 and 40. So go ahead and take this, find your hole, get it in there, and clean it. If you have air in the tire, it's going to come out real quick. Go ahead and leave that in there. Oh. Get you one of these. I have to go re-up. I'm getting really low. Then you're going to want to smash this with your fingers, flat like that, so you can work it in there. This can always be the troublesome part. I've seen some guys actually use pliers to pull that through. Then you're going to want to pull it to where it's halfway. Like that, where each end lines up. Then what you do, get that in there, take this out, push this bad boy in. Alright, get it to where just a little bit sticking out, as you can see, then pull up. And there you go. Now let me go get my scissors so I can clean that. And you can buy this tire patch repair kit at your local hardware store. Go ahead and clean that up. Alright, let's see, let's find that other spot. Let's see, I marked it. This tire really needs to be replaced, but running this is a whole lot safer than running a spare. So I'll give you this side here, maybe. Yep. There she is, right there. Make sure she's pretty flat. Then go ahead and fill the tire back up, and everything should be good. I want to thank you all for watching and subscribing. The rain's starting to come down, but again, I'll let you all just see Hummingbird here. She's sitting. I don't have the money to actually buy the parts, but still need everything for that to get her rolling. But again, like, subscribe, comment below. I always comment back. Any suggestion, any type of videos, let me know. Thanks again. As Eric the Car Guy says, stay dirty. And y'all just have a great day.